goody? This is Project BC, guys. How you guys doing? How you guys feeling? Okay, guys, the sun is finally going down because it was so hot today, and I'm like, I'm not gonna do this POV when it's hot because bro, I need to get my car too. Bro, I need some pops. That's what I need in my car. All right, guys. Well, really quick, I'm gonna go and grab some. Oh, hold on, this is a yellow. It's a yellow light. Bro, right now it's 6:30, so people are like finally going home. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys are having a great day, guys. I need to go get gas because I'm driving out to Utah tomorrow, so I need to get that. And it's gonna be chill vibes, guys. I just got this muffler delete, like actually I had this muffler delete for a year, and I think it sounds really good, guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, but I think it sounds freaking amazing. Okay. I was thinking of taking off the resonator on the car, but then I was like, I don't want it to be that like annoying car, you feel me? So I prefer more of like the low grumble. I like the little like, the Porsche, when you started by Porsche, the Porsche has that like low grumble sound, so I like it. I don't know, I may take off the resonator, I don't know, depending, or just get it tuned with like, bro, what is going on? Like, do you guys see this? I'm in the granny lane. That's what lane I'm in. Look, everybody, I should have knew that. I should have knew that. My gas light's not on just yet, so I'm gonna drive really quick in this city, you feel me? And then on my way down, I'm gonna get gas. Cause it doesn't make sense for me to get gas right now, cause the gas station's on my way home. So yeah, I'm not. Actually, we should hit the freeway. We should hit the free ski. But yeah, bro, my next car that I'm gonna pick up is gonna be so heavily modded. I feel like the car that I have now, like my Mazda 3, it has so much potential, guys. I feel like it has so much potential. Like, I really want to get I want to get like a bigger rim. Actually, no, I like the rims. I have 16-inch rims. I like the smaller rim. I'm not really like a fan of like huge rims, like 20 inches. So I mean, I'm digging the rim I have, but I will get like these gold bronze rims. I will lower down my car, probably like actually not springs, I'll probably do coilovers so I can like, lift the car back up whenever I want to. But definitely will be getting coilovers on my Audi. And then the paint's gonna be like a green, like a nice green forest. Yeah, it's gonna be like a goblin green. And then huge front splitter, carbon fiber splitter. Probably like a small, what's it called? A small spoiler in the back. Not like a long, like a high spoiler. Probably just like a duck lip spoiler. Nothing too crazy. And yeah, but that's gonna be my Audi. This car though, I want to get some bronze. Actually, you know what? Actually, for this car I would do. I would do chrome rims. Yeah, I'll do chrome rims. Oh, you guys see me? Look, I'm literally watching myself record. Super freaking dope. Anyways, I would get chrome rims. I'll keep this paint color. This paint color is like a dark blue, which I love. I'm obsessed. But yeah, keep this color blue. Bro, my front splitter is cracked, bro. Like, I had this cracked splitter. Bro, like, it's literally insane. Like, this splitter that I have on right now. So, like, hold on, I gotta log in. Oh, my gas light just came on. My gas light just came on. That's actually insane. I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna definitely get my, bro. We'll get gas in a second. But what was I saying? it sounds so good. Oh my gosh. That muffler sounds so freaking good. And like when I have my car in sports mode, my car feels so light. Man, it sounds so good, bro. Oh my gosh, baby. Just imagine once I get this baby tuned up, baby. No engine mods, like not even like, wait till I get this bad boy souped. So if you guys want to see the journey, if you guys want to follow this journey, okay, it's called Project Beastie. Beastie is the name of my car. Yes, I named my car. Okay, if you guys are not naming your cars, then like, how lame can you be? But anyways, yeah, so it's Project Beastie, guys. If you guys do want to follow the journey, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, okay, guys? But I like doing these POVs. I love driving around, so I was like, you know, I might as well film these videos. Like, if I like watching it, I'm gonna film it. But yeah, if you guys have any like questions when it comes to having a Mazda, like, let me know. Look what happened over there, bro. It's so crazy because this road is so huge. You have 4 lanes of traffic, guys. Literally 4 lanes of traffic. How are we fender bending? There's another gas station down there I can go to. I probably go back to that one. Yeah, but it's like, how are people doing fender benders? And we're literally just going straight. Like, literally. But anyways, but yeah, guys, I can't wait to get my car like super tuned up. And like this, so the front splitter that I have on right now is this carbon fiber splitter, which is freaking cracked. That bad boy's in shambles. But I have a new splitter in my closet. I gotta get that installed like ASAP. But tomorrow I'm going to Utah, you know, like a day trip out. I don't think I'm gonna film that video because it's my second time driving out to Utah, and I need to log in. You feel me? Okay, bro, I love the Mustang, but I'm not really a Mustang. Like the color, I don't like white cars. If you guys have a white car, don't come for me. It's just not my cup of tea. I don't know, like the orange Mercedes-Benz right there, guys. Nah, that's fire. I don't know, I like vibrant, like, bro, my car is dark blue, but like my project car, like when I get my Audi, is gonna be green. So I like, look, it looks good, bro. Like, look at the rims. He got the purple and orange. I personally wouldn't go with those colors though. Those colors are a little insane on this. But bro, everybody just cruising, like. But yeah, bro, so I'm actually excited. I used to have a carbon fiber bumper in the back of my car. But bro, I forgot to ceramic coat it or like wrap it. Let me go over here because I feel like the traffic is like slowing down. But yeah, so I had a carbon fiber. I had ceramic coat. Well, no, I didn't ceramic coat it. That was a problem. I didn't ceramic coat it, and that bad boy faded. So I had a guy. You know, I was trying to tell him, hey, like, can you, you know, can you help me out here? And he was like, oh, like it's already too much damage. And I'm like, bro, forget it. So now I have that same spoiler, but I just plastic dipped it, so it's just all black. So I just keep it clean. Yeah, just keep the car clean. I was gonna add side skirts, but nah, I don't know. I don't want my car to look like rice. You feel me? My car wants to go. Bro, there's so much traffic over here. Like usually, bro, when I'm like driving at night, there's literally no cars. But actually, what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna actually, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get gas because the last thing I need is to be, you know, to be stranded, okay? Like, nah. Bro, there's one person, they had a comment down below. And by the way, guys, if you guys comment down below, I read all of the comments, okay? There's one person, they had text me, they was like, they want me to do like a full 360 of the car, which I don't have no, I don't mind doing that. Like, I'll do it. I got you. I'll do it. Bro, so where I live at, it's literally just desert. So this view is kind of like literally desert, guys. But I'm about to go back to the gas station really quick because yeah, there's no gas stations. But yeah, I'm gonna add a little something to this tank. But I gotta get my bad boy filled up because Utah is about like an hour 40-minute drive. The things with my car, guys, like when people see my car, like if you're driving on the road and you happen to see my car on the road, they have nothing in the drink. I want you to know that that's me, you feel me? And I want all the smoke. Ooh. All right, let me not run out of gas. That's the last thing I need, bro. We're gonna head to the gas station right now. Bro, I love that downshift. Bro, I only go to Chevron. Like literally, if there's like a 7-Eleven like right there, I'm going to Chevron. Like, I think I'm gonna go to the gas station. I wanna go to. Okay, coming back down this way, like if you guys see, there's literally no traffic. Oops, snap. So this is literally perfect. But yeah, guys, like I can literally talk about cars all day. Like I think like last week I saw this beautiful, it was a lime green. I'm not gonna have my phone because I don't want YouTube to put a strike on me. But anyways, it was a lime green AMG, super clean, super, I forgot what the license plate said. I think it said like I'm fly, but it was so fly, guys. Super fly. But I'm saying, guys, when I get my dream car, like I am pimping it out. I am heavily modding it to my liking, because like, come on, like you gotta go all out, especially like when it's like a supercar. But I feel like my Mazda feels like a go-kart. Like the way that it maneuvers, the way that it moves is literally a go-kart. Like, and I'm here for it. So yeah, I love it, bro. I love it. It has like good handling, guys. Like freaking good handling. I love it. But yeah, this Mazda, this is a Mazda. It has sports mode. I love the sports. I rarely use a sports mode, but I love use, like when I do use sports mode, I love using sports mode, because it just feels like the car just feels like if I can slightly just tap my foot like this, like tightly on the freaking gas, and I'm like, I'm already jetting. But it's so crazy because like I just feel like for me, like when I was watching these like car POVs, you feel me? I was watching like these nice cars from Atlanta. Oh my gosh, today I saw this it's a heartbreak. I saw this beautiful, it was a Trackhawk. It was so freaking, it was like a nice gray metallic. And then he had this beautiful baby blue seats, like super nice. It was absolutely insane. And then, bro, what I really admire, like I personally wouldn't get a Dodge, or I wouldn't get like a Trackhawk or a SRT. But what I truly love about it is the, actually I'm gonna go get gas right now. I was like, why wait, we're already here. I was gonna go to like another gas station, but it's like, maybe if we already here, we might as well just go. Oh look, oh my god, there's the shark. Now there's the the police is out. Oh shoot, he's gonna Also, if you guys go to the selfs like that, heck no. You would not catch me taking my car into this automatic car wash. I don't care how cheap it is. I don't care what you guys say. I'm never taking my gas through there. Okay, we're at Chevron. Okay. We're going to park. Alright. Is it still recording? Let me make sure. Oh, I never got a POV. Bro, I gotta get him. Don't let me forget the POV, guys. Don't let me forget. Alright, let's get some gas. Look at him trying to be nosy. Bro, I really hate nosy people. I'm like, mind your business. Look at him. Listen. He's just... Maybe I'm the nosy one. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a quick POV really quick. Why is it not pumping? I'm like, hello? Hello? Okay, really quick POV guys. So these are all plasti dipped, and then I got the calipers, painted calipers. This is the back view of it. And then these are just the clear tail lights, which I put on, okay? This is plasti dipped. I darkened this out. There goes the license plate right there. These are aftermarket exhaust tips. Yeah, freaking dope. Freaking fly. Get the window louvers right here, carbon fiber window louvers. These are my little, bro, I love these, I'm obsessed. I spent a little bit too much on this. Then I got my carbon fiber. Bro, it goes so hard on the M3. I saw this on the M3 and I was like, I have to get this. Looks really good. I'm gonna show you guys my front splitter though. Bro, look at my front splitter is shot. This is so bad. And then carbon fiber emblem right here. This is just a wrap on this one. And then the grill is plasti dipped. But before it was chrome. Yes, that's a quick little run through on that. Bro, this one quick. All right, we ready. Oh, okay. But yeah, that was a quick little overview, guys, really quick. I'll do a more in-depth of my Mazda. If you guys want to watch a video, I'll do a more in-depth. I have a half a tanky. Bro, I don't know why, like, oh, let me show you guys. Like, it says low windshield wiper fluid. I literally added some to my car yesterday, and it's not coming off. Okay, ooh, I am hot, and this sun is beaming. Hold on, let me, But yeah, guys, chill vibes. I hope you guys, you know, get inspired by watching this video and, you know, just relax, chill, you feel me? Good vibes, good vibes. I'm located in Las Vegas, so if you guys are not from Las Vegas, then you get a quick little tour. Let's see.
I got pain, but I'm walking with a blank face. Shawty playing, but she knows she in the right place. I'm just saying I don't wanna leave the house today. It's raining, bitch, you know me. Bitch, you know me. Pay attention to the shit you can and can't say. Count my last days, bitch, I'm dying slowly. You know me, I ain't worried about who hating. Smoking seaweed, man, I sit a chasing. Falling jewels, jingling, hanging from.
Alright, I don't want to get copyright. Okay. Oh my god, bro, this feels so amazing. Bro, I gotta watch out for the police. I just saw the police over here, but we should be good. Bro, I love this road so much. Bro, one of my biggest pet peeves in driving, guys, is people who like, and I mean, sometimes I have this bad habit too. I be doing this too sometimes, but I just hate people like, let's say like I move up a little bit, they move up too, or they want to be like bumper to bumper. I'm like, baby boy, I know. Bro, it's so funny because like many people, when they see my car, they think it's a guy in this car, but little do they know. Little do they know, baby. It's a whole female. Bro, look at the strip. I want to show you guys this really quick. I'm gonna try to turn my head. Hold on. the Las Vegas strippy strip. Bro, you can't tell me that's not a good view. Yeah. You can't tell me that's not a good view. But anyway, guys, I was gonna go to this Chevron, by the way. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys like my new muffler delete. I love it, guys. Let me know down in the comments if it needs to be a little louder, if I should take off the resonator or just get it tuned out. Like, let me know in the comments. Let me know, guys, because baby, let me tell you, this car, even though I had it for some time, I'm still down to take any suggestions when it comes to like mods, when it comes to tuning the engine, when it just comes to like looks overall. I'm down to hear all you guys' ideas in the comments down below. So if you think, oh Brie, you should add some side skirts, or Brie, you should add a rear diffuser, or Brie, you should, you know, take the resonator off, like let me know, inform me. Because like when it comes to car, guys, I'm very passionate about cars, but I'm also still learning. Like I'm still learning, and I'm still, you know, there's so much I feel like when it comes to the car community that you can take from it and learn. So hit me down in the comments, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and stay dope, stay lit, stay inspired, and adios. And one last thing before we dip, guys, do not forget to subscribe, because baby, let me tell you, you're gonna want to stay on this journey and see, you feel me? So appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys watch the end of the video, comment a red heart, and I'll make sure to, you know, comment and hit you up in the comments. I love you guys, and I'ma lock in. Adios.